We are here at Checkpoint Charlie. Checkpoint Charlie. U.S. government. What?
Gold cameras. They got a water fountain and shit.
Oh no. I wonder where the park is. Crossing the street and shit. See that? Soccer field. Way back there too. I remember playing 11 on 11 here. 11 versus 11. It was $5. It was just last year. 11 on 11. That shit was raw as fuck, man. Blue jerseys versus green jerseys, man. All day. College, BCC. Yeah. I am Americano. Americano. You ever just looked at a tree and was like, what the fuck? The most important thing of all. Yeah. Yeah. H2O, baby. Yeah. Hey, who the hell is that guy? Who the hell is that guy right there? Oh, shit. Look at him. Where's he going? I wish they had on bikes one thing. Electric. Okay, fuck. I wish electric bikes had the choice to connect your phone to your bike so that way you'd be able to charge it. But how would you get the power? By each pedal. I wish you could receive power to be able to charge your phone by the crank, by the pedal, by the power of your push. Generate electricity for you to be able to charge your phone while you're riding. You would have a limited source of power. I wish electric bikes had this option. It needs to be invented. I hope Cannondale's watching my video. She can invent an electric bike. Put double R, 2 R's on it, because I thought of it. I want my name on that shit, because I ride this shit every day. I ride this shit everywhere. And I need power, because I want to record my miles. I want to record my distance, where I go, while I'm making videos on the go, you know. So this is what we got to do. It's got to be done. It's got to be invented. So, let's make it out. My ass hurts so bad. I should have used Strava, but I don't know. Fuck me. First meal of the day. Pretty good. You see that shit? And the sky. But this is what I'm talking about right here. All right, my the rearview mirror. This is my dad's car, okay? So it's funny. He's a funny man. He's a funny guy. He's a grumpy guy. I love my dad more than anything in the fucking world. But I like talking about him because he's funny. He's a funny guy. He gets mad like that, and he always accuses me, even if I didn't even fucking do anything. You know, he was just always accused. He's like the fucking law or whatever. You know what I mean? So like, I call my dad, and you gotta be like really literate. If you're not literate, if you don't say the right words, he's gonna feel like you did it. So like, I was like, right when I called my dad, I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, hey, your rearview mirror fell. Like, what does that mean? Like, if somebody would have told you and called you, and like you're driving their car, right? You're driving their car, and then you're letting them know, like, hey man, your rearview mirror fell, right? What if somebody told you that? You'd get in your mind and be like, all right, my rearview mirror fell. Like, you'd be like, damn, fuck, now I gotta fix it. But no, not my dad. I fucking call my dad. I'm like, hey man, you know, I tell him just like what I just fucking said. I was like, hey, your rearview mirror fell. My dad instantly got mad. Ah, man, you see? You fucking touched it. I told you not to fucking touch it. I told you not to touch it. Like, what? I was like, I didn't even touch it. I'm telling you, your rearview mirror fell. You moved it? He'll ask you so many fucking questions. Like, God, I told you not to fucking move it, man. You fucking moved it. I'm like, Dad, the rearview mirror was already hanging right when I opened the door. Like, I just seen it hanging right when I opened the door. You know what I'm saying? So he's like, man, God. Yeah. My dad's funny as shit, man. I fucking love this guy. He's old, man. He's a fucking old, funny man, dude. Fuck, man. Now I'm over here buying pork. I'm getting my dad right now some pork chop cow because he's too lazy. He's tired. He's chilling on the couch, just watching TV. He puts his hand on his face like, "Hey, you want to go get me some pork chop cow, man?" I'm like, "Sure, as long as I get to use your car. I'm going to a drive-thru." He's like, "Yeah, okay." And now we're here.
Pork chop cow.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. I have a list here. I'm sorry. I got to read it to you. I got a list of the food that I want.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So this is a little small list. It's not like crazy.
Okay, so just hold for a second.
Yeah. God, pork chop cow smells so good. So good. Ah. One day I'm just gonna order everything. Like, hey, can I get everything, please? God, those wraps look good. Chicken quesadilla wraps. Who's that? Goat empanada. You guys got empanadas? You guys got shish kebabs? What? Hello?
Yes, you can go ahead with your order.
All right. I want to get a half a chicken with 2 sides.
Half chicken with 2 sides. What are your 2 sides?
Yellow rice and a salad.
Okay.
And you know that those little tomato sauce you put in those little plastic little cups? Can I get 3 of those?
You want,
That tomato sauce. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. That red sauce you put on the chicken or the rice or whatever. The little red sauce you guys got.
Oh, you want the salsa?
Yeah, there you go. The
You
salsa.
remind me about all the sauces to the window, okay? But we don't have any yellow rice for the half chicken.
Oh, no yellow rice.
You want white rice?
I don't know. Damn. I'm gonna see if I can go to another pork chop cow there. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry about that.
That's okay. Thank you.
This brand new ass dollar bill, bro. That's the old one. This is the brand new one. They just made this shit. Fresh ass dollar bill, bitch. Look at this shit, man. That's old. This is the new one. You know what I'm saying? This is the new shit. Food never tastes so good. You know what I'm saying? God. It's plate number 1 though, bro. You don't even know.